Before starting, do subscribe our channel Desi Pan with Creative Corner and hit the bell icon to get further notifications.
For making canvas, actually we need one cardboard. You can use any cardboard like hard sheet. It is called as corrugated sheet also. But the sheet which you get in the carton box. Even you can use your Amazon and Flipkart boxes also. So please save that boxes. These are very important to make canvas. Okay. So for this we need one cardboard, something hard surface. Okay. This is easily available also actually in everyone's house. And next we need fabric. This is a canvas fabric, but if you don't get canvas fabric, then you can use the pasting bukram also. The bukram which we use in the shirt collar. So we can you can use the bukram also, pasting bukram. Okay, pasting bukram, it is called as pasting bukram. You can use that also for making canvas. And next you can use what the fabric, casement fabric also. Okay, you can use casement fabric also to make canvas. So these are the options. This is coarse fabric, you know, this is not very fine. This is little bit coarse. I think it's visible or not. There are so much light. Now it's visible. This is fabric. This is canvas fabric, but you can use casement fabric, pasting bukram, and even also you can use the cloth bags which we get in easily. You can get it in Big Bazaar. You can use that bag also, cloth bag also, to make your canvas sheet. Okay. Now let's start. So these are the fabric which you can use to make canvas. And first you need this kind of cardboard. Okay, so you cut it as per your size. Whatever size you want, you can cut that cardboard in the size you want. Okay, Fevicol. Okay, do not directly apply Fevicol on this cardboard. Okay, so pour some Fevicol in one bowl. See, I have poured some Fevicol in the bowl. Next, add some water. Water like 2 spoon of Fevicol, then 1 spoon water. Okay. So ratio should be 2:1. 2 spoon Fevicol and 1 spoon water. Mix it well. Do not directly apply Fevicol, otherwise it will not stick properly. So 2 spoon Fevicol and 1 spoon water. 2:1 ratio. Now apply this paste all over your cardboard evenly. All over the cardboard evenly. Do not like here and there. Do not apply like this. You have to evenly spread it on your cardboard. ऐसे मत करना कि कहीं लगा दिया कहीं नहीं लगाया. प्रॉपरली हर जगह लगा होना चाहिए. each and every corner. You have to apply this Fevicol paste. Okay. Now this is spread evenly. Now we, oh no, I forgot to cut this fabric. Okay. Now you have to cut the fabric with some margin, because we will fold it in the back side. Okay. Now place your fabric onto the cardboard like this and press evenly like this, so that there must not be any crease. Okay. It should be very clear surface. There should not be crease somewhere. You have to spread evenly like this. Now see, there is no crease on my canvas. Okay, it's very plain surface. Now come to the back side. There is some, I have left some margin so that our canvas comes very neat and clean from the front side. So you have to now paste this margins also on the back side. So similarly we apply the paste we made only the sides of the canvas. And paste it also. Apply Fevicol on the corners also. And paste properly. So you can use casement fabric also to make your canvas. Casement fabric, fabric bags which we get in Big Bazaar. Okay, we can use that also. And another one, otherwise you can find pasting buckram that is easily available in every shop where we got stitching material. So you can purchase pasting buckram. It is called as pasting buckram, the buckram which we used on the to making collar of the shirts. Okay, now this is properly pasted. See how neat and clean it is. Now we will give base. This is raw because for canvas it's need to give some base. If we use directly color on this, then it soak lots of color and finishing will also not come good. So this is the fabric is pasted on the cardboard. Now for giving base, what we need again some Fevicol. Fevicol. 1 spoon Fevicol. 1 spoon acrylic color, white color. Then again 1 spoon water. And mix it well. There should not be any lumps. Mix it well properly. See, this paste is ready. 1 spoon Fevicol, 1 spoon acrylic color, white acrylic color I am using, and it is clearly visible, I think. Okay, now apply this paste all over your canvas evenly. This is also, you should spread evenly on all over your canvas. This is the base coat which we are giving to our canvas, so that it will not soak lots of acrylic colors while coloring our final article, and also this will give finished look to your canvas. ये वन कोट हो गया इसका. I have given one. Wait a minute, ma'am. I am telling you. One coat is completed. When this first coat get dry, then you need to give second coat similarly with the same ratio. 2 coats is needed to give finished look to the canvas. Okay. So 2 coat is needed. See how neat and clean and how fine my surface is. There is no crease, no lines, and it look like market canvas. Okay. So you need to give this base coat 2 times. First let it dry. After first coat, when it completely dried, then only you have to give the second coat. And after second coat, your canvas is ready to use. You can make anything on this canvas. Okay. रीना मैम, रेशियो इज, आपने अभी ज्वाइन करा है तो, क्योंकि जो हमने इसके बैक साइड में यूज करा है वो हमने केवल फेविकोल लगाया था जिसको कपड़ा चिपकाने के लिए. ओके. फैब्रिक को पेस्ट करने के लिए हमने फेविकोल में थोड़ा सा पानी मिला के और अपने पूरे कार्डबोर्ड पे स्प्रेड कर दिया था, और फिर ये जो फैब्रिक हमने उस पर स्टिक कर दिया, पेस्ट कर दिया. अभी ये जो हम इसका बेस कोट दे रहे हैं, बेस कोट के लिए 1 स्पून फेविकोल, 1 स्पून आपका ये एक्रिलिक कलर एंड 1 स्पून वाटर, तीनों को मिक्स करके हमने इसका बेस कोट तैयार किया है. ओके. 1 स्पून फेविकोल, 1 स्पून वाटर, 1 स्पून एक्रिलिक कलर, and now mix it well and give the base coat on your canvas fabric. When it completely dry, then only I will give second coat. This is the first coat which I have given.